Antarctica.
Yep, that's Antarctica. And do you know where these came from?
That Mr. Costanzo sent them.
Yeah, he did. He sent them, but guess who made them? His students.
Wait, they did.
They did. Isn't that nice of them?
I'm like, how did they do that?
How did they do it? That's a good question.
Last year, I was talking to Miss Ruiz, and she got to know Amy all year, right? And she got to know what she needed to fill in the gaps in education, right? I just ended up asking one day if there's anything my production class could help with. She came up with the idea of us making continents with braille on them so that Amy could feel the shape of the continents and feel, obviously, the braille on it so she could actually read them.
It's just a privilege to help her learn all of the skills that she needs to learn. And it's just fun to see the collaboration. I think it's just neat to see all the parts of Prince William County coming together to help a student. And we're able to give her all that she needs in the classroom.
Doing this project changed the way I think about helping others because it made me know that such a small thing can change somebody's day or life.
Ellos tienen las mismas capacidades que otro niño. A ella lo único que le falta es la vista, pero ella es súper inteligente, igual a otros niños. Estoy muy orgullosa de ella. Les damos las gracias a los estudiantes que estuvieron en el proyecto, a los maestros y a los que siempre han estado apoyando a Amy.
I'm glad that other people try to help me. They're students from high school and yeah, they're bigger kids. It's great that they're doing it. And that if they ever want to do something like this, it's perfect.